Angel from Stewberries, and today we are talking about being future focused. Being future focused is really about creating the life that you want, and you have to think about tomorrow and not just what your desires are for today. Being future focused is not always second nature. You really have to kind of make this shift in your mind where you are focusing on tomorrow and the next day and 5 years from now. Being future focused is not a type of thinking that's always second nature. It's very easy. We want instant gratification. We want the now, now, now. That's where the phrase keeping up with the Joneses came from. The Joneses are not future focused, okay? The Joneses want to make sure that you see how green their grass is right now, today. But when you're future focused, you're thinking about what can you do today that's going to improve your life for tomorrow. And that's not always our first instinct. For me to make the shift to be in future focus, one day I just realized that if I kept doing what I was doing, I was never gonna be in a different place. I was just gonna be stuck. I was working jobs that didn't pay very much, but it wasn't my passion. It wasn't where I saw myself in 10 years from that point. If you're creating your life, you should be able to wake up and enjoy what you're doing. Not every day is perfect, but you should be able to have, let's say, 80% loving what you're doing each day, 20% trouble. I think that's a fair percentage of where your enjoyment factor should be. And that is in your job life, your home life. I mean, we all know, hate laundry. I hate dishes also, but there's parts that we're not going to enjoy, but overall you should be able to enjoy what you're doing and wake up every day with that sense of accomplishment, or that you are doing at least what your passion is. And I wasn't in that place. I was doing things that created a future and a life for other people, but was not creating that life for my family and what goals I had set for myself. And so I had to become future focused. Where would I be if I kept doing the things that I was doing? Our family had no savings. We wanted to buy a house. We wanted to be able to go on vacations, not like just driving to family vacations. I'm talking about vacations, Hawaii and Jamaica. We wanted to show our kids a better life than we had growing up. And I knew if we stayed where we were at, we weren't going to get there. We had to focus on our future goals and where we wanted to be in 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, if we were going to be able to achieve those things. So we had to make the mind shift from being right now, today focused, to future focused. And when you're future focused, it requires you to make some sacrifices for each day. You can't keep doing the same thing and getting a different result. One of my biggest goals was I didn't want to have to worry about my family finances. So that was kind of my driving force. You have to find what is your passion. What do you really can't see living that way for years and years. Being future focused is focusing on what you would want tomorrow instead of what's in front of you today. And you gotta make some sacrifices. If you don't know where to start on this future focused journey, please head over to my website, www.stewberries.com. Not strawberries, it's Stewberries. Stewberries.com, and we have a goal planning starter kit to help you on your journey to start deciding what do you want your future to look like. Create the life you want tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe below. I'm putting out 2 videos every week on parenting teenagers and creating the future that you want. Thanks for watching.